Hello everybody, I have another control board here that I got yesterday. I got 7 control boards. I found most of them. I have 3 control boards here that I'm gonna order the parts for. I already found the issue. I just have to get through one more, and then this is the last one, and then I have 2 more here to go. But I can't find really the order numbers from those ones, so I'll have to call the customer and see. This one looks like a commercial washer. I think that's the one for commercial unit. Let me just see. This unit might take a little bit more diagnostics. I'll see. Gonna put everything back in the box. I think this is from a commercial unit. I have to check. Very good packaging for sure. Woo. Okay. Well, that's not a whole lot of components, so that's an easy one. Okay, well, let's see what we have here. Pretty much we have 3 components. Oh yeah, I see. Okay, so we have what is this, transformer? Might be a big transformer, and we have 1 relay and 1 fuse. That's all what we have, the ceramic fuse. Okay, so I'm gonna start diagnosing those components and see. It's quite easy board. I hope the parts are available. I think it's the fuse, but we'll have to see. Fuse is actually okay. What about this relay? That was not a good sign. 5.1 ohms, but why do I have continuity between those 2 legs? That's not good. No, and it's connected. So the relay is connected. What about this one? 5.1 ohms. 101, 102 ohms. This is just the contact. I will test the contact as well, but I think we have a bad relay. So just to be on the safe side, what I'm gonna do, it's on, look, we have, it's very funny, we have 5.3 ohms on here, we have 5.1 ohms, and we have 5.1 ohms here on those legs. Okay, this relay is, what is this? It's AC. What is this? Okay, I'm gonna have to do some research on this relay and on this I think it's a transformer, but what I'm gonna do here, So this relay, you can see there's, see how there's a burn mark on this side. Also, one thing I really don't like on this relay is that if it's a relay and it really looks like a relay, you have 2 legs here and then 6 legs on the opposite side. You have continuity between those, between the coil, which is, hold on. I just want to do some research. So it looks like we have one fuse here, and then I see like a black mark on this, but I'm not sure if it's a relay or not, because it says AC voltage 24 AC. Let me just see if I can find anything. I really want to replace those two. Let's see if I can find this. MZH B 0019210. Oh, yeah, that's not good. Okay, how about if I'm gonna go see, MZHB and 001 then 92-10. Oh, here you go. Something here. Is that? No. It is a relay. I think I found it. That's the one. It's a $25 relay. MZP. Well, it's slightly different. Yeah, it's not the same one. It has 5 legs and this. Yeah, but it seems to be like it's a relay. It might be hard to find. What about this one? Oh, let's see. MZF. I'm just doing some research to see if I can find this relay. Search. And I don't think you can find them. Let me see. Maybe I'll find something similar to this. Yeah, it's definitely a relay, and here it is, I think. That looks really, really much the same. MZHB. Let's see. So this is 16 amps, and this is 10 amps, but this looks like it might work. It's 6 legs and it is a relay. Okay, so what I can do, I can actually test it, but it looks like it's an AC relay or 24 volt. Oh, maybe it's 24 volt DC. Okay, let's just double check. I'm curious. Let's see. So we'll do 24. Perfect. And now let's test it if there is actually 24 here. Maybe it is 24 DC. Yeah, we have 24. Now let's make a little test on this relay. So currently it's right here. Okay, so it is a relay. But I want to see if it's actually getting a continuity test. So let me just put it between, let's say, those two legs. Found the issue, and you can see this relay is the bed component, and you see how there's cracks in there. So the relay got probably burned out inside. The only thing is I have to find this relay, and it looks like it might be a little challenging to find, but let's see. I'm just gonna try one more time. So it's basically let me see if I can find it. It's not easy to find. This relay is a little bit different, so let's see. This is the part number on the top. Yeah, so we have a bed relay. I just want to see it because the trace lines are very tiny, and when I took the relay out, I just want to make sure there's good contact here. Yeah, look, see, I want to make sure that, yeah, so it's good. I have to be careful though on this one. Yeah, so I need this relay. No, the relay got busted. It's 24 volt relay DC. Okay guys, so this is the diagnostics on this commercial, I think it's a washer, commercial washer unit, and it needs this relay. I'm gonna try to source it. It's not gonna be easy, but I need the exact same relay, and then I'll let you know if I can get this one fixed or not. I think I'm gonna be able to find it. The only thing is timing. The customer might have to wait maybe a couple more weeks, but it's not a big problem. I think this washer is quite expensive, so it's worth the waiting time. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, you can comment, like, and subscribe. Take care.